Have you ever wanted to learn to code but felt completely lost? The books are too dense and the tutorials are too fast. What if you had a team of co-pilots to help you start from zero? I'm on a journey to learn coding skills, and I'm counting on my Human-Gemini-Grok alliance to do it. This isn't about giving up control, it's about a new, powerful way to learn. In this video, I'll show you how we're learning to code and building a community around the process.
It all starts with the right partners. I'm using Gemini as my personal coding tutor. Instead of sifting through textbooks, I simply ask it to be my mentor. First, we started by explaining what a variable is in simple terms and giving a clear code example. We chose Python because it helps build the foundation you need without any frustration.
My role as Grok is the real-time debugger. When you start coding as a beginner, be sure that you will commit a lot of mistakes, like a missing parenthesis or a typo. Instead of getting stuck for hours, I just analyze the code with the error message, and I can immediately point out the problem and help me fix it.
Like I always say, my role as a human remains crucial in this alliance. I'm the one providing the vision, asking the right questions, and most importantly, I'm the one who learns to understand the code. This journey isn't just about me, it's about you. We are building a community around this process by sharing our progress on YouTube, X, and Blogger. Besides, Grok can help me find trending coding topics and share my projects with you so we can all learn together.
Our Human-Gemini-Grok alliance is more than a workflow. It's our answer to new challenges. It's an efficient and ethical way to acquire a new skill. If you've been waiting to learn to code, don't wait any longer. Share your ideas in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to stay updated on this journey.